nasa Boeing 747. Tama ba ko?
Yes.
Tingnan natin, akyatin natin para makita natin. Andito na tayo, palabas na tayo. Di, makita natin ang loob. Ano?
Let's go. Ayun lang si Boy Basa.
To the moon, build a lunar space station, and establish a permanent moon base with international partners from Japan, Europe, and Canada joining the mission. Aboard Artemis 2, Jeremy Hansen will become the first Canadian astronaut to venture into deep space, orbiting the moon alongside NASA. On top of being a NASA field center, JSC also serves as a wildlife sanctuary. A variety of different animals call this coastal prairie land their home. In fact, as we drive to Camden Space, keep an eye out for whitetail acronym standing for main engine cutoff. All of these animals come and go as they please. The employees leave the creatures allowed to go.
Spaceship nila, di ba? Ang haba, di ba? Ang lalaki ng spaceship. Stone.
A certified Saturn V rocket left from those Apollo missions. If you would like to get a closer look at these rockets and the other artifacts at the park, you will be free to exit to the left-hand side of this tram once we've come to a full stop in front of that entrance gate.
The rocket they used. Wait till you see this. We turned it all on that side.
Oh, really? Okay, that's the first one they used.
Yeah, all they had to do was get it a little bit on this one. That's why it's so small.
So
Pero
they
sa American in space. Yan.
this is the first Americans in
It's
space.
exactly the same rocket they used for ICBM, Interplanetary Ballistic Missile.
This is the first. This one.
Mm-hmm. Sa Mercury.
Mercury. So talagang shielded. Ha? Shielded siya. Yep.
Why is the other one bigger?
This one.
These are for the Saturn V. Saturn V's got different stages. Like this is for the initial stage when it lifts off. This is for like the second and third stage when it gets up in the air.
Ito yung space rocket ng US. United States Space Rocket. Ito yung actual. Actual. Kinasala natin. Andito na, kompleto rito. Ang laki. Daming tourists. Pero doon sa mga facilities, dadaan lang, hindi pwedeng huminto doon sa mga training center.
Yeah.
Ito, yung mga space rocket, pwedeng magpa-picture,
Pero sa campus,
pero sa campus, hindi pwede.
kita ba?
Tama yun.
Okay.
Kasi andito tayo ngayon sa Space Houston Center. Yan. NASA. Dito. NASA tayo. Nasaan?
Nasa.
Houston Space Center. Yan.
Nasaan ka? Nasa.
NASA.
Oh.
Next launch, when John Kuiper proposed his piggybacking idea to NASA officials, they fired all the missiles and test after test. John Kuiper and his team finally achieved, as he said,
Wala, wala. Meron lang nangyari. Lang pa rin sa...
Ang galing ano.
Tatanggalin nila. Di ba?
To be ready for cross country piggyback flight.
Galing no.
Yeah. In position.
Ha?
Yung sinakay natin na double.
Ay, double nga. Ay, oo.
Pero yung nasa baba, Boeing 747.
Dreamed of
Yeah.
an airplane and more.
Ito yung sa weight, stability weight. Para maging stable yung weight.
Ito ano?
Coffee table.
Oo, doon sila. Ah, dyan sila nag-aano. Ang galing ano.
Siguro kumakain yung pilot. Sarado siya. Hindi pala nakakuha.
Sige, doon.
Ayan, dito na tayo sa loob na nasa
Andito tayo ngayon.
station.
Yes.
Houston,
Texas.
Yeah. Ito kung paano pupunta sa buwan. Yeah. Hindi heaven na dadali sa buwan ha. Ito totoong buwan. Ito. No. Bungan pa lang ito ikutin natin. Ha? Mga
Kante.
Ha? Oo. Tayo. Lakad tayo dito. Ya. Ito. Dito ko isasakay si Isabel sa papunta sa buwan. Hindi mo naman ako.